Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import videos in PowerDirector. Importing video is one of the first things you'll do in PowerDirector, and once you know where to tap, it's very simple, and here's a clear step-by-step guide. So first, before you can edit anything, you need to bring your videos and photos into your project. PowerDirector lets you import multiple clips at once and arrange them instantly on the timeline. So first what you need to do is open to your PowerDirector. Once you launch the app, in the top you can find there's an option for the new project. Click onto this new project there. Over here, what you need to do is click onto this import here, and you can select to this import media files or folder, as I'm going to select to this import media files there. So here you can go to your downloads and you can select to your media the photos, and here you can simply tap on any of the video or the photo and you can select multiple files as well. You can simply go to this import again and you can do the same process, and once selected you can find your media over here as well. This is how you can import your videos in PowerDirector. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.